It's a 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan. Versatile, smart, and full of surprises, this Grand Caravan is the perfect get-it-done machine for any family. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: stow-and-go third-row seat, dual-zone climate control, AM/FM stereo radio, auxiliary audio input, 4 12-volt power outlets, manual tilting steering column, Pentastar engine, rear lip spoiler, and multi-speed automatic transmission. New car test drive highlights: the second row bucket seats are stationary, but the back folds forward and the seat tips up to allow access to the third row, all with the pull of a lever. Open the bins and you can then push the seats into them. This system, now called Super Stow and Go, works superbly well. For a fairly simple invention, it's a masterpiece. Dodge doesn't do middle of the road. Leave average in the dust. Hurry in today for a test drive.
One stop, family shop.